Hello and welcome all of you to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes, and today I have come up with a sweet and spicy dish made from ripe mangoes. It is called as Ambya, godda, humman, and today we will be discussing how to prepare this godda humman or ripe mango sweet and spicy dish. So coming first to the ingredients. You need 4 number of Chandrakaran variety mango. Now before coming to that, let me tell you some few words about this dish. Now this Ambya godda humman, it is a simple and easy to prepare that has a sweet and a spicy taste. The dish is usually prepared from sweet mangoes which are fibrous. The Chandrakaran variety mango from Ernakulam is the best variety for this dish. If you do not get these mangoes in your place, use any fibrous mango that are sweet, or even normal mangoes can be used. This is usually served as a dessert, and I have used Chandrakaran variety mango for the preparation. So I have taken 4 to 5 numbers of Chandrakaran variety mangoes, 2 to 3 tablespoon grated jaggery, or as per the sweetness level, as the mangoes will be sweet. 1 teaspoon rice flour powder, unroasted one you have to use. Water as required and salt to taste. Then for seasoning you need mustard seeds, cumin seeds, peppercorns, red chilli powder, or you can even add 1 red chilli. I have used the red chilli powder. Then 2 sprig curry leaves. So these are the mangoes. These are the Chandrakaran variety mangoes that I have used. Wash the mangoes and cut the fruit without removing the seeds. If you are using whole mangoes, then slightly remove the skin. Cut the mangoes into pieces. Do not throw the seeds. Use them too. Cook them in water, adding salt. Once done, add grated jaggery and mix well. Let it boil. Add the rice flour and mix well. See that there are no lump formation. In order to prevent lump formation, mix the rice flour in little bit of water till completely dissolved and then add. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the raw flavor of the rice flour goes off. Rice flour is added to make the gravy little bit thick. Now coming to the seasoning. You need oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves, cumin seeds, bit of chilli powder. Instead of chilli powder you can use even 1 red chilli, and then peppercorns. I have forgotten to show peppercorns in the photo, but they are must and necessary for this dish. Heat your pan. Add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add cumin seeds followed by addition of red chilli powder or red chilli and saute for a second. Then add curry leaves followed by addition of peppercorns. Immediately after addition of peppercorns, pour the seasoning over the Ambya godda humman or ripe mango sweet and spicy dish, else peppercorns will get burnt and you will lose the taste of the dish. Your Ambya godda humman is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I will be sharing most of the Konkani dishes which are prepared in Kerala by the GSBs. Thank you for watching.